In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to your credit card account of Home Depot. If this video sounds helpful to you and you want to log into your account successfully, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Home Depot themselves does not issue their own credit card and their cards are issued by Citibank. So firstly, you'll need to search for Home Depot credit card login, and once you do, you're gonna see the website of Citibank. You just need to click on this first result and it's gonna take you to the login section. Now through this page, you'll need to firstly type in your user ID that you created while signing up. If you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you open up, you can check this box. And in the second box, you'll need to type in the password as well. If you don't remember either your user ID or your password, you can click on the retrieve user ID or the reset password option, and then you can follow the steps and recover your user ID or your password. Now once you fill in both these information, you can just click on sign on and you will be successfully signed in to your credit card account of Home Depot. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this.